Live from the KFOX studios in El Paso and Las Cruces, it's the Emmy Award-winning KFOX 14 News at 9.
Some El Paso law enforcement officers complain their patrol areas go uncovered because they have to wait so long to book a suspect. Good evening, I'm John Purvis.
And I'm Hema Muller. First on Fox tonight. Well, it's finally here. By now you've probably noticed things looking a little different at KFOX. We've spent the last several weeks overhauling our entire studio. One of the biggest changes, getting rid of the teal color we've used for the past 11 years in favor of a bolder blue. Our studio is now equipped with nearly 20 high-definition monitors and a 72-inch DLP screen. And instead of our newsroom in the background, you're looking at large-format digital graphics. This is the first major change to our studio in more than 10 years. And you can see more of our transformation on our website, kfoxtv.com. John? Hema? Thanks, Sandra, and thank you for watching KFOX News at 9. I'm Hema Muller.
And I'm John Purvis. Be sure to catch the KFOX Morning News from 5 to 8, and we'll see you back here tomorrow night at 6 and 9.
Good night.